Hi learners, in this video we are going to talk 17 interesting facts that should be known by everyone. Can you tell a country where free water, gas, electricity is supplied? Can you tell a bird which used to fly during the sleep? Can you tell the most interesting and most dangerous book in this world? Can you tell a man with antenna in his head? Let's discuss most interesting facts in this video. To know facts, please watch until the end. Please do subscribe also. First fact. In USA, Mexican state, Mechanic Island, from 1898 to now, the motor vehicles and motorcycles are banned. People used to go by walks to any places or cycles. No pollution at all. In the world, this is the only place where motor vehicles and motorcycles are banned. Second one, in America, scientists developed a advanced tissue. It is healing chip. When this chip is injected in our body with the help of artificial intelligence, when our body gets injured, this chip will detect and say what type of required tissues we needed, and it sends a message to our brain, and our brain produces the required tissues. From this, many diseases are cured within 2 to 3 days. Third fact. See this image carefully. What are you thinking? Can you guess it? It is the fire emergency cycle used in 1905. From this, fire truck is developed. What amazing now. Fourth, you have heard about color blindness. Did you even heard about face blindness? This is chrysophalanges disease. They can't identify the person's face, but the body is visible to them clearly, and they can't even see their own face in the mirror. Fifth fact, you have seen two-wheel racing bike. You have seen this type of racing bike anywhere? It is single-wheel racing bike. Its speed is 43 km per hour, but it is difficult to control with that speed. I think we have to ride in it. Sixth fact, there is a disease called hemispatial neglect diseases. Only one part of the brain works. They forgot about the left side. They can't feel or consider the left side, and they save their face only in right side, not in left side. In their lifetime, they only consider right side as their body part, not the left side. 7th. In Japan, there is a famous hotel named Nishima-ho-san. It is an ancient historical place. This hotel was built in 750 AD, and only one family maintained for 52 generations. What a great gift given by their grandparents to them. It was built in 750 AD. Eighth fact. We feel bored. What we do? We will read books, games, watch videos. But Powell Dure, young billionaire, he was sitting idle in his office. He was feeling totally bored. He threw millions money by making money planes through the window. He had thrown up to 40 millions in just 1 hour. He had made mistakes. This money should be given to poor people in his country. Ninth fact. In PUBG, all players want winner chicken dinner. But you have ever think how it come? It is not developed by the creators. In 1930, the great economical crisis occurred. People were showing some interest in gambling games. Anyone wins the game, they are given chicken. From this incident, the name had come. Now you will remember, in 1930 the name had come, not in 1916. 10th fact, you have to go to this resort for weekend. In Japan, there is an amazing resort. This name is Tamaho Resort. This resort is constructed in mountain. This is built in so much height that you can see below your sky, below your foot. 11th fact. In Tajikistan country, In 1993 to 2020, the water, gas, electricities are given free. 12th fact. In 2011, the scientists found a couple skeleton which is 1500 years aged. The amazing thing is that the couple had not left their hands till now. The best skeletons lover in the world. They are considered. What do you think about them? Please comment in the commentary box. 13th fact. This book is the most interesting and most dangerous book for ghost lovers. This book name is False Moraki. In this book, it tells us how to contact with ghosts, demons in a right way. And it is the most dangerous and the thrilling incident that all ghost lovers should consider it. By reading this book, you can talk with ghosts freely, without money. Anyone is interested in this book, please read this book. 14th fact. In USA, a person has antenna in his head. This person is suffering from color blindness. He can't determine the colors. That's why antenna is fixed in his head. The antenna can send him different frequencies of different colors. And he also holds the Guinness World Record that a person has antenna in his head. His name is Neil Hawkins. 15th fact. There is a male animal which gives birth to baby and it also takes care. This animal is seahorse. They are the only animals in the world and earth where males or carries their baby rather than females. 16th fact. If the rainbow occurs in night, it is called moonbolt or lunar rainbow. A small light radiation from the moon makes a lunar rainbow. It can see with specific microbes. It can't see with naked eyes. That's why we are not finding rainbow in the nights. We have to use some specific microbes to see. 17th fact. We have seen different ice creams and we have eaten most of the ice cream flavor. In Japan, there is an ice cream brand called Peanut. Their ice creams are unique. At the top of the ice cream, there will be a smiling emoji. While it ends, there will be a dangerous emoji. At the top, the smiling emoji. At the end of the ice cream, there will be a dangerous emoji. We can't eat it by seeing the dangerous emoji. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel.